In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PDF file from Google Drive to Gmail. This can be incredibly handy for sharing documents quickly and efficiently, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your Gmail account. This is your main hub for sending and receiving emails and where all your emails are organized. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself in your inbox. From here, we'll start the process of composing a new email, which will include the PDF file you want to share. Next, look towards the upper left of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Compose. Go ahead and click on this. Doing so will open up a new email window where you can begin creating your message. This is your blank canvas for communication. In this space, you can add a recipient, subject, and any message that you wish to send alongside your PDF file. Once your new email window is open, direct your attention to the toolbar at the bottom of this window. You'll see several icons here, one of which is the Google Drive icon, easily recognizable with its triangular design. Click on this icon to open a pop-up window that connects directly to your Google Drive. Inside this pop-up, you'll have access to your Google Drive storage, where you can browse through your files. Find the specific PDF that you wish to send. You may need to scroll or use the search function to locate it efficiently, especially if you have numerous files saved in your drive. Once you've found the desired PDF, click on it to select it. Now that you've selected your PDF file, it's time to add it to your email. Look for the Add as Link option and click on it. This will insert a link to your PDF file directly into the body of your email. By using a link, you're allowing the recipient to download or view the document directly from your Google Drive, which is especially helpful for larger files that might be difficult to attach traditionally. And that's it. Your PDF is now ready to be sent. All that's left is to fill out the rest of your email, add in the email addresses of your recipients, type in an engaging subject line, and any additional message you wish to include alongside the PDF. Once you're happy with your email, you can go ahead and hit the Send button. Congratulations, you've successfully learnt how to send a PDF file from Google Drive through Gmail. This method is a straightforward and efficient way to share important documents seamlessly. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing.